to celebrate 250 years of America, Soarin' has been changed at California Adventure here in Anaheim. So instead of being Soarin' over the world or Soarin' over California, it is now Soarin' Across America. They've also updated the decor outside the ride, and we've got some fun stars and stripes. They've also added some stars and stripes banners inside the ride as well.
Hello, and welcome to Soarin' Across America. My name is Patrick, Captain Patrick. I'd like to welcome you to this special semi-quincentennial flight. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first, there's a handsome young devil who'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cell phones, bottles, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. As smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seat, seatbelt, carry-on items, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else?
Now boarding.
So we're in the tower. We are ready for takeoff.
way down the hallway, they actually have signs for the locations. The Great Basin, Carlsbad Caverns, Acadia, the Bavarian Forest, Killarney, Glacier, Petrified Forest, Sagaro, Wild Taiga, and Hawaii volcanoes. So that's a super cool thing to see when you exit.